Last 3 weeks, I work with a lot of different restaurants, sandwich bar, coffee bar, something like that. And I want today to share with you what I learned from these last 3 weeks when I work with these all different type of the restaurant, coffee shops or sandwich bar. Like you see probably on my YouTube channel, I little change the things what I photography, the company what I photography. Last year I didn't do too much restaurant, coffee shop and bar. Mostly I photography in my studio, but this year I changed this and I want to work more with the restaurant, coffee shops, pub. I have last year experience 2 times. I worked like assistant the photographer and was shoot in the restaurant. First time when I go, I was of course stressing. This was so much stress for me. I didn't know how I will be work with the photographer. Was amazing lady, Linda. She's amazing photographer. She's specialization in photography, exactly the restaurant, hotels, more stuff that. But this time I photography with her restaurant and I was assistant. Was first time I work with her and was really stressing for me. One day before I cannot sleep so much. It was that stressing. I think how will be looks everything because it was something different for me. I didn't photography restaurant before. I didn't work like a really assistant photographer before, like the person who I don't know. And when I came for restaurant shoot with her, was amazing. And she was so nice, so amazing lady. She was so soft. She said, no stressing, we work together, everything will be good. You don't have to worry about the shoot, about everything. Be completely yourself, that's it. And this I spent with her like good 2 hours, 2.5 hours there, and that was the best 2.5 hours from long time for me for photographer. I remember I back home, I talk with my partner, I say straight away, I want work in restaurant to photography, I want be there. The atmosphere was amazing, everything was so good, I love it. And from this time I worked 1 times more with Linda again. Was different type of restaurant, but the shoot was amazing, the same. I was so freedom. I didn't stressing because I know the Linda. We worked together before. Was more soft. No more soft. Was more relaxed for me. Go there and work with Linda. In these 2 times, I learned so much about photography in a restaurant. How to work with owner. I see how Linda work with the owner, how Linda photography and do more stuff. We have a lot of fun, really a lot of fun, and I really learned so much. I work with Linda only 2 times, and believe me, I love this. I want to do again, and I think this is something what I want to expand more in 2024 and 2025. And the end of the year, I have that opportunities. I work with more restaurant, coffee shops, like kebab place and sandwich bar. I want to grow more in restaurant and interior photography in 2025. It's like always plus and minus work there, and that's I do this video because I want to show you what I learned to work last like 3 weeks with a lot of different places, and what I learned, what was plus for me and what was minus for me. First, what I learned, each company is different. Each company need different type of the photo. Some companies, like when I came and photography there, care so much about photos, about food, what's serving. Some company didn't care, won't take only the photo, doesn't matter how, looks good, it's okay, that's it. Every client is different. When I work there, I must be patient to do the photo, listen what say the clients, listen what say the people who work there, and respect how want the photo, how want to show the food the best. Of course, we talk about together this, but I always respect the clients. Doesn't matter with who I work Is small company, big restaurant, small place, something sandwich bar or something. I always respect every client what I work, and I listen to him how must looks the photo, because if client is happy, I'm happy. That is the most important for me. The backup. If clients like the photo, it's nice to hear from clients he like the photo, the food looks delicious, and he's happy with the photo shoot. But the most things what I take the plus from work from different places and different people, I quickly learn how to work with the lights inside. Every building is different. Every restaurant is different, have different lights. Sometimes it's natural lights. Sometimes I use the lamp what have inside, but photo looks okay. The client is happy, looks okay. I know I must do little spend time later for editing. This is the difference for me. More time I spend on editing when I have that. But really, believe me, I learn quickly how to work with lights, how to shoot there, and it's like speed my photography in restaurant, coffee shops, and that places. Another things I learned, the most important for me is how to work with the clients, how to talk to the clients, how understand the clients, what he want. Not only photo, but talk about normal stuff like what I do. I ask how long have the place, the restaurant is beautiful, or we talk about house. Take the name for the restaurant. Sometimes it's name different, what I don't know, especially when I visit Indian restaurant. And I ask, why is that name? Sometimes it's big story, and it's nice to hear, nice to know, have that contact with the clients, talk with the clients about him place, what he do, say nice about the food, because believe me, lot of places what I visit, the food looks delicious and is delicious. Many times offer me later after shoot to take to home, and I really eat so much food last 3 weeks what I never eat from a restaurant. Another things what I learned, I make mistake, I didn't show like I am specialist, I know what to do. I was little scary, first job to take and work. Of course, I wasn't like show I am confident with this, I listen to the clients and everything. But now, after like so many places to visit, photography, work with the clients, talk with the clients, and understand what talk. When I came for the shoot, I straight away, I know what to do. I chose the best place for me to photography. I talk with the clients, what is the best. I need like 5 minutes to set up my stuff, and I am ready to photography. Always I am like on the time or a little early. This is me. This is very important because everybody think about the time. Second, I am listening to what owner want. I show I am the boss. I know what to do with the photography. He can left for me everything, and I photography. But for beginning, I wasn't that confident. But now I am more confident. That's work with the clients, work more with that things. Give me more confidence, be more sure what I do. And really, believe me, I like more my job now than I liked before. Like you see on my photo, some photos is not beautiful, so the dishes, what you think, like you see the photo and you can eat straight away the food and you want to eat. Because the places what I visit don't need that professional photo. Need some small photos, few photos for promotion in business, for not so much money, and don't expect like so beautiful photo. What I learned, I don't must be perfect. The photo don't must be perfect. If clients is happy with the photo, that's it. Every photo don't must be like 5 stars photo, or to talk, oh my God, this is posh, this is a good restaurant, or something like that. I can do like less so good photo, but the client is happy. Of course, he pay less than normal restaurant or something, but I still have clients. Clients is happy. I'm happy. I learn business still all the time, new things, and this is what I need really. I don't must to think about I want only photography the stuff for go and shoot restaurant for few thousands. I can do job for 200-300 pounds for few photos for the client, and I'm really happy. I'm happy because I have different benefits from this. This is not about money. This is experience, work with the client. I visit like 10 restaurants, it's 10 different clients, and believe me, if I will be sit home and looking for and pitch only clients what will be pay me good money, I will be have maybe 5-6 clients that's for good money. Not like now I have a lot of what pay less, but experience is the most important things for me, especially when I have my business. And I didn't know it before, so many things about marketing, about how to talk with the clients, how to work with the clients. Now I know more and I faster grow in my business. The money don't must be only the reason why I photography restaurant, why I work with the clients or do different photo. I can be a lot of different. For me, the money is not first place. Of course, I need money to pay my bills, everything. But if I work with somebody, like with Linda, I work like assistant, didn't pay me so much because I was assistant. I wasn't photographer. This wasn't all my clients, but I was happy work there. Happy to work with her, learn so quickly, see how somebody work in a restaurant. And I know I love to work in that area, to work with owner, shoot the restaurant, coffee shops and that stuff. The type photography what I love and I want to do. And second things, the experience what I have. This is experience and I can meet more people, expand my photography, show more things like I photography restaurant, I do behind the scene, I show on YouTube, I show on my Instagram. I use this photo for looking for another potential clients. When I pitch that small, I send what I done before. What I learned in 3 weeks, I didn't learn in 2 years what I have business, my own business. That I really recommend. Start somewhere, work like assistant, work with somebody, you grow faster, 3 times faster than normal if you work with somebody. If you work like assistant, you maybe have friends who like photography like you and photography work with that person. You learn from her, from them. You work with different person. You work from, you learn from this person. Everybody have different experience, and that is amazing. That you can work with somebody. You can work for small money and grow your business step by step. Learn what you will be know, what you do wrong, the mistake what you done, and you fix this faster. Because if somebody will be saying me, Monica, you will be work for this amount the money, I will be never say no. I will be saying no, definitely not. I cannot work for that amount the money like photographer, the skills what I have. But beautiful photos is not everything. You must know the marketing, how to work with the clients, how to pitch the clients.